Are you tired of fighting that scrunchy, flimsy beanbag desk? How can you get any work done when you're fighting with your workspace? Now you can be whoever you want to be, wherever you want to be. The Belly Bean is a portable office that you can take anywhere. The sleek, contoured shape allows for comfortable positions while you work. And it's made of sturdy maple wood for long-lasting durability. So you have the freedom to be anywhere. Studying in the park, sketching for art class, working from your car, even if you have trouble getting around but still need to get things done. Available in a variety of colors, even if you choose to be on Mount Everest. And right now, when you order the Belly Bean, we'll also send you a free Stickum, a $10 value. You get the Belly Bean and a handy Stickum, plus a lifetime warranty, a $60 value for just $29.95, plus processing and handling.